Hey, this is Dave, and I'm with my brother Rich and my son Caleb, and together we renovate houses. Today I want to show you how to remove a doorknob. It's a relatively simple task, but there are a couple little things you want to watch out for because they can sometimes cause you a little bit of difficulty. So let's get started. Okay, this is a regular doorknob with the locking mechanism attached to it, and though this is just decorative with 2 screws, this whole mechanism is attached the very same way with just, turn it here, just a screw there and a screw there. And so whether it's a decorative knob or a full-on doorknob lock with a keyed entry, it comes off the exact same way. It's just a matter of getting access to that screw on that side and that screw on that side. When removing a doorknob, what you want to see is how good your access is to the screws. The wider the doorknob handle, the more difficult it will be to get to those screws. So you have a number of different ways of going about this. First thing you do is look and see if you have a depression on the underside of the shaft of the doorknob that you can depress with a screwdriver, a standard screwdriver, and pop the handle off. If that's the case, then you'll have super easy access to get to these 2 screws. If that's not the case, as it is with this doorknob, you just want to see what kind of angle you have and can you get a screwdriver on those screws. And right now the angle's not too bad, and that will work for us. But sometimes the screws are in there too tight to use the screwdriver because it'll slip on you. So then you have to resort to maybe a drill. And the problem with the drill is they're powerful, but the width of this chuck is so great that when you try to get it to get to the screw, let me show you what you end up with. You're at such a steep angle that you can't get it on the head of that screw. So the next best tool is a drill bit extension, where you can put the screw bit into the extension, and that gives you a far enough, your drill is far enough away from the screw that it gives you a really good angle to it. And 9 times out of 10 this will work. Now let's say you have a really big handle, a really big knob, and there's just no way to get a screw onto that. What they make is, we don't have any here, but they make something that's shaped like this. It's called a right angle screwdriver, and it would simply go in behind the handle, and you could use this as a way to turn the screw. We're Amazon affiliates. You can get these at Amazon, so just go ahead. We'll have a link in the description below, and you can get a right angle screwdriver set for like $6-7 bucks. They're pretty cheap and pretty handy, especially when you have hidden screw heads behind a larger knob. So removal is just fairly simple. Just go ahead and unscrew the screws. And it's just about that simple. It's all about whether you're going to have the right access to getting your tool on those screws. That's the bigger challenge. And then installing the new one, especially a decorative one like this, is just as simple as putting it on there and putting it back in. I hope this video helps you remove a doorknob. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask. Just leave us a comment in the comment section below, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. In our next video, we're going to take care of installing a doorknob, and we'll do one that has a locking mechanism in it so you can see how it all goes together within the confines of a door. If you got anything out of this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. We've got lots more videos coming. Thanks for viewing. Be sure and check out this next video.